Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I'm back with my model Marta, and I would like to show you this perfect summer hairstyle that I love to do on my daughter Trencita. So I splitted her hair in the middle and I'm taking away into a low ponytail the right hand side, and then I'm applying with my toothbrush some hair gel. I comb this through and I start actually on the left hand side. From here I take a small section in a diagonal angle to the middle parting and I do a regular Dutch braid. So I'm bringing the right under the middle, I add in some hair, then I bring the left under and I add some hair. You see the same pattern all the way down to the end of the hairline. So what I'm doing is I hold tightly in between of my fingers the strands, and I'm not going to pancake this braid. I want this style to last some days, and that's what Marta asked me for. So apply gel if you want the hairstyle to last some more time, and take your time while braiding, then the result is neater. You can hold the strands tighter. So when there's no more hair to add in, I'm taking a tiny hair tie, which I'm covering with a strand of hair with the help of my topsy tail tool, and then I'm braiding a French braid. So now the outer strands go over the middle strand. So left over, right over, and then at the end just tiny elastics, and I'm doing 2 on each side. The same thing I did on the right hand side. So again, hold your hands close to the hair or to the skull. I'm wrapping around a strand of hair to hide the elastic. I'm using the topsy tail tool and then do 2 French braids. If you have very thick hair, you can even make 3 braids on every side. You can also do only 1. What you prefer. I love this style for swimming. I love how it turns out the hair when you take out the braids the next day or after some days if they stay in longer. And this is our final result. 2 Dutch braids into 2 or 4 in total little French braids. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I hope to see you back very soon. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.